Good morning, my name is Haley Fuller, and I wanted to explain how we perceive motion in 7 ways. The first one being retinal motion. This is when an object moves across your retina, changing its position from movement to movement. We have specialized neurons called motion-sensitive ganglion cells and direction-selective cells that detect speed and direction. For example, when you're watching a car drive by, its image sweeps across your retina, and that's how we perceive the motion. Number 2, motion from changes even when the image isn't moving. Sometimes the image on the retina doesn't move, but you can still perceive motion. We have eye movement compensation. When you move your eyes, the brain sends a copy of the eye movement command to visual areas. This tells the brain the world is moving, you moved your eyes. An example would be when you track a moving ball, the ball stays centered on your retina, but you still know it's moving. Along with that, we have apparent motion. Your brain infers motion when two stimuli flash on and off rapidly in succession. The brain fills in the in-between. This is why movies, animations, and LED signs work. Still images shown rapidly perceives emotion. The third one, we have motion processing in the brain. There are 2 important cortical regions, the first one being middle temporal area, and the second one being medial superior temporal. The middle temporal area detects direction and speed of motion. Neurons here respond strongly to real and apparent motion. Medial superior temporal processes optic flow, which is a large-scale motion as you move through the environment. Optic flow. Optic flow is a pattern of motion of the entire visual field as you move. When you walk forward, everything seems to expand outward. When you move backward, everything contracts inward. This helps with balance, navigation, and judging time to collision. Number 5, biological motion. Humans are especially good at detecting motion patterns of living beings. Even if shown only as point lights, we can detect a walker, gestures, gender, motions. This is processed in a superior temporal sulcus. Number 6, motion illusions. Waterfall illusion, which is after staring at a downward motion for a while, stationary things appear to move upward, caused by motion opponent neurons adapting. The second one is motion capture. A flickering stationary object near a moving one can appear to move. The third one, shortest path constraint. For ambiguous displays, apparent motion follows the shortest possible path, unless doing so violates real-world physics, like a body passing through itself. Number 7. When motion perception breaks down, damage to the MT/V5, which is the middle temporal area, can cause achinotopsia, a rare condition where motion appears as a series of frozen snapshots. Makes everyday tasks such as pouring water, crossing the street, extremely difficult. In summary, we perceive motion through changes on the retina, brain signals about eye movements, filling in gaps between images, specialized motion, processing brain areas, and large-scale optic flow when we move. Alright, that's all I got for you.